Hey everybody, it's Eric at Satolli Carpet. Just wanted to say happy Halloween. That's why I have my mask on. It's for trick or treat. I hope, I'm just kidding. It's not for trick or treat. Not at all. Hey, listen, I have a Gooooolish thing to share with you. You ready? It's Gooooolish for Halloween. You ready? Goooolistan is a carpet manufacturer. It's not really a trick-or-treat thing. Carpet manufacturers, Goooolistan, they've been around for about 100 years. They've been making fine carpets for your home for a century. Look at these patterns. They're beautiful. Just gorgeous. And they're all priced right. This is one of the newest offerings we have here at Satolli Carpet and Floor Covering. I hope you'll come by the store, take a look at these. They're beautiful, they're luxurious, they're soft. The yarns are very, very good quality. The patterns are unique, and we'd love to help you out. Come on in, check it out. Happy Halloween.